That clogged pore you see there, it's not just dirt. I used to think that simply washing my face would clean everything out. I spent money too, trying expensive scrubs, harsh exfoliants, and whatever went viral on Instagram. The result? Zero. By the end of this video, you'll understand the real cause of blackheads and pimples, and you'll have a routine that actually works. Okay, first let's understand what's actually happening here. Imagine your pore is like a drain. Normally oil, called sebum, flows smoothly out of that drain. This is actually essential for your skin, as it keeps it moisturized. But when dead skin cells, dirt, and excess oil accumulate in that drain, a blockage forms. When this oil comes into contact with air, it oxidizes, meaning it turns black. That's a blackhead. And if bacteria get trapped in that drain and the area gets blocked off, that's when it turns into a pimple. People often think that scrubbing harder will get rid of blackheads. It's actually the opposite. Over-scrubbing damages your skin barrier, causing the body to produce excess oil, which only makes the situation worse. That's why we need a gentle yet consistent approach, not a harsh one. The Mutin step by step. Step 1. Oil cleanse first action. Double cleansing to start Karo. Pella Ek oil-based cleanser low. Timing 60 seconds, tack gentle circular motions may massage Karo. Products: International DHC Deep Cleansing Oil ya Vanilla Co Clean at Zero. Local budget option, Minimalist Derma Coke Oil Cleansers ya Simple Pure Coconut Jojoba Oil Bikam Karega. Mistake to avoid, Log Oil Cleanser Co Trento Detehain. Nahi Isco Dissolve Hondu, Makeup or Sunscreen Kasath. Step 2, Water-based cleanser action, ab regular face wash use Karo. Yeh Baki Hui dirt or oil residue Hatayega. Timing 30-45 seconds. Products: Cetaphil Gentle Cleanser, widely available, ya budget-friendly, simple kind to skin face wash. Mistake to avoid, Bahad Hot Pani Mat use Karo, lukewarm high best high, Warna barrier we ko jati high. Pro tip: massage in upward circles, never drag skin downward. Step 3, BHA exfoliation action, ye actual game changer high. BHA salicylic acid, oil soluble hota high, malavia poric underjaka garasa clean karda high. Timing 2-3 bar per week, 5-10 minutes leave on. Products: BHA Blackhead Power Liquid, Premia the Dermaco 2% Salicylic Acid Serum. Mistake to avoid, Rosmat use Karo Agar Beginner Ho, Skin Co Adjust Honey Do, Warna Irritation Hogi, Sensitive Skin. Start with once a week, gradually build up. Step 4, Clay Mask for Deep Pull Action, Clay Mask Lagaujo excess oil or impurities, co physically pull out care. Timing 8-10 minutes, Jab Tech completely dry na Hojaya Tap Tech Rain Mat Do, Warna Zyada Dryness Hoti High. Products: Innisfree Volcanic Clay Mask, your local option. Multani Mitti with rose water, ye century-old trick abi be effective high. Mistake to avoid, Claycopora Sukne Dena be mistake high, 80% dry honpe high wash off Karo. Pro tip: damp your face slightly before removing, it prevents over-drying. Step 5, Barrier Repair Moisturizer Action, Sab's important step Jo Log Skip Could Day Hain Moisturizing. Timing, hard in, morning or night. Products: ye Simple Water Boost Gel, Budget Locks All, Halka Hota High Humid Weather Kalie. Mistake to avoid, oily skin high to moisturizer skip Karangia subsabata myth high, Iskabina tumhari skin or Zyada oil produce Karegi. Pro tip: apply on slightly damp skin, locks in more hydration. Don't panic segment here is an important point. When you start this routine, especially with BHA, your skin might undergo a bit of a purge, meaning you could see some breakouts or redness during the first 1 to 2 weeks. This is normal. Don't panic and don't give up on the routine. A realistic timeline, you will see a visible difference in 4-6 weeks. It won't be an overnight miracle. No honest skincare creator would ever tell you that you'll get glass skin in a single night. Consistency is key. Lifestyle and bonus tips: 3 small things that will support your routine. 1. Change your pillowcase every 2-3 days. It accumulates oil and bacteria that stay in contact with your face all night long. 2. Clean your phone screen regularly. We all forget, but phone screens harbor a lot of bacteria. 3. Hydration. It's not just about skincare products. Drink water to hydrate from within. Even in humid weather, we can get dehydrated due to air conditioning. Closing in CTA, so let's recap. Oil cleanser, water-based cleanser, BHA, clay mask, and a barrier-repairing moisturizer. This is the combination that will provide a deep cleanse without damaging your skin. Let me know in the comments, which step will you try first? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it. And if you want more science-backed, no-nonsense skincare content like this, subscribe and hit the bell icon.